Hi financial users. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on performing LHDN self-billed e-invoicing using financial accounting. First, go to the Control Panel and under the Company section, click on Business Profile. Ensure that your business registration number is correct. And also make sure your tax identification number, known as TIN, is also correct for LHDN e-invoicing purposes. Double-check your email and phone number details to make sure the correct information is sent to LHDN e-invoice. If you make any changes, remember to click Save. Next, go back to the Control Panel and click on Integrated Apps. Then, find LHDN e-invoice and click Connect. In this video, we have already connected it previously, so you will see a green button labeled Connected. Doing this will enable the accurate sending of your e-invoices. To check your information, click on Settings to verify that all required details are correct. Now, let's create a self-billed LHDN e-invoice. Go to the Purchase tab and click on Create New Bill or Self-Billed Invoice. Fill in the relevant information, such as selecting Century Software as the supplier and entering the supplier invoice number. And also the reference number. Once the information is filled in, an important step is to toggle on both the Self-Billed button and the Send to LHDN button. After that, double-check your supplier information, including the supplier's TIN and registration number. The next step is to fill in the address information. In this case, we have already filled it in earlier, so I will just select the Attention to field. Next, fill in the item details. Select your item, give it a name, and set the unit price. Then, choose your item classification, such as code 002. After that, select your tax type, for example, service tax. You must also fill in the tax exemption description to proceed. Once everything is filled out, click the Save button. Your e-invoice will be automatically sent to LHDN for validation, which should take a few seconds. A pop-up message will appear confirming that your TIN number and registration number have been validated. You can check the LHDN status after submitting the invoice. Go to the Purchases tab, and under Purchases list, the status will show as submitted for the invoice you just submitted. You can also click the View button to see the details of your submitted self-billed e-invoice. The green icon indicates that your invoice has been approved. Click on the e-invoice button, and a QR code will appear. You can scan the QR code to view the self-billed invoice on your mobile as well. In the top right corner, click on the three dots to enable printing a copy of your validated self-billed e-invoice in PDF format. Finally, you can cross-check the status and details of your LHDN self-billed e-invoice in your My Invoice portal. Under the Documents tab, you will see your e-invoice. Click on it to view. This is your validated self-billed e-invoice. That's all for submitting a self-billed e-invoice with financial accounting. Thank you for watching.